Hello dear kids, how are you? Like and subscribe my channel. Let's we play. Hello excavator, please give me a way to go. The excavator hurting me. Beep beep. Hey. Dee. Hey, excavator, what you are doing? You hurting me. Oh. Eat. Hey, you hurting my friend. You're the sun. Oh no. There's a service van going to help the vehicle which you hit them. I can't. Do you? I can't. Oh no. Oh no. We are all hurting by the excavator. Hey kids, look there. The tractor come to help. Thank you. Thank you, John Deere tractor. Thank you very much. Hey, the John Deere tractor helped the big trailer. Beep beep. There's a tow car. The tractor helped the tow car. Thank you. Thank you, John Deere tractor. The bad excavator hit me. Thank you for helping me.